As you can see, Miss Fatima has her credit card out, which means that she has done some shopping. Jeffree Star released a new collection of watermelon-based products, so I had to get some. Let's see what I got. The first thing I picked out was a glass tumbler for $28. This is what it looks like. It has got the watermelon and Jeffree Star logo on it. It has a bamboo top, and the straw is also glass. One thing I noticed that kind of freaked me out a little bit when I first put the straw through the opening, it's a plastic opening and it made a clinking sound. And I thought, oh no, I've broken the straw. I've checked the straw, both ends are perfectly fine, so it must just have been the little push that you had to give to get the straw to go through the plastic. This looks like some fun summer beverage holder. And the whole thing is glass. It cannot go in the dishwasher, so this is a hand wash only. The other thing that I did was to buy a bundle rather than individual items. So I got a bundle for $93 rather than $109. First up in the Ultimate Bundle, there are different bundles on his webpage. In the Ultimate Bundle is a candle. The scent is rather light when I take a sniff. I'm hoping that once it gets under the candle warmer that the scent is a little more prominent. We're not saying we want to be smacked up aside the head with a giant watermelon. We were just hoping for a little more scent. So we shall see. And this is a 1-wick candle, and it is 7.5 ounces. Next up is a 2.6 ounce makeup removing balm. And one of the things that I really like about this, I haven't tried it yet, but it comes with its own spatula that is attached to the top of the container, and it's magnetic, so you can't lose it. She takes it off, and then it clicks right back on, and it does have the outline there, so you can slide it in to place. And I saw on another channel someone reviewing this. It goes from a solid and then it melts with the warmth of your hands. It melts, and it did remove their makeup. Granted, they'd only put it on the back of their hand about 5 minutes prior, but it did remove the makeup. So that's always good. This is a hydrating moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Yes, it also has a little bit of watermelon in it. And some people have said that they found it to be sticky. Well, watermelon is kind of sticky, so I find that on my legs, that's her driest part, it absorbed 1, 2, 3, no stickiness left over. I did try it on my hands and a little on my face. If I'd had another product underneath it, yes, there was a little bit of stickiness. So something to keep in mind. If nothing else, this will readily get used on my legs. I wouldn't take this as a travel container. This is a hefty container, although I will say, looking at it, it is just too stinking cute. And the top is a little bit reflective, and I'm tickled with this entire collection because In case you're not aware, I do love me some good watermelon. And this is what this whole new launch is all about, watermelon. Another thing I noticed with this top is when you screw it back on, you will hear a click when it is fully closed. So I thought that was nice. So that way it won't dry out or have a problem, because it is, I don't want to say almost gel-like, but it is a very soft and loose moisturizer. This is what it looks like, and we can't tilt it too far forwards or it will slop out of the container. It has a lovely scent. Oh yes, it certainly does. And the last thing in the bundle was a lip oil. Here we are. And one of the things I like about his lip oils, I don't know if you can see it in the container, is the doe foot is nice and large, and it gets a good dollop of the product. So one dip is plenty for your lips. You don't have to keep going back in and out and in and out and back and forth trying to get the product out of the container. Very well put together. And I would say of the 4 items, this has the best watermelon scent. I think the moisturizer has the next best watermelon scent. And then the other 2 items do have the watermelon scent, just very lightly. Did you get this? What did you get? I want to know. What do you think of what I chose? I want to know, because I'm a nosy camel. And all in, Miss Fatima spent $93 on the 4-item bundle, $28 on the glass tumbler, which is 25 ounces in size. Shipping was free. We had to pay tax, which for us was around $10. So all in, it was $130.28. And I'm tickled pink with everything that Miss Fatima purchased. I can't wait to get using more of these items. Thank you for watching today. This was a fun one. Yes, it definitely was. Jeffree Star outdid himself on this. I don't know what he's going to come up with next. Consider subscribing to our channel for more fun adventures. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun kind of stuff. And we do hope to see you in a future video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.